How to add your relationship on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna share how to add your relationship on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines and go down, click settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down until you find this one, profile information, and here you will find this one, relationship. Just click add relationship and click here relationship status, and then just select your status, single or married or anything you want, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.